Hey, Coach Turner, we're back.
Hey, boys and girls.
Hey, I have a question for you.
Yeah, what's up?
Well, we're kind of stuck in the house and having to stay around our area, but...
Boring.
I know, it's awful. But Coach Turner, do you like nature? Do you like being outside?
Well, as a matter of fact, Coach Norman, Coach Turner does love being outside. Coach Turner does love being around nature. You know why?
Why?
Because when the birds sing and the birds and owls go hoo, hoo,
Tweet.
it makes me feel really good and warm inside.
Oh, does it make you happy?
It does make me happy. I love being outside, Coach Norman.
Awesome. Do we have some fun things we're gonna do outside this week?
You know what? I think we do. And just like how you had a couple of special guests on, I have a couple special guests.
Do you really, Coach?
Yeah, you know what? I talked to my two boys, Carson and Drew, and I told them, I said, hey, you know what? We got to get out of the house. The worst thing we can do to ourselves is be stuck inside. We got to get outside, you know? And hey, you know what? If your parents feel like the front yard's not too safe, well then guess what? You can go to the backyard. And that's where me and my boys headed. We headed out to the backyard, and let me tell you, no. Let me show you what we did.
Oh, that's so exciting.
Oh, what a beautiful day. Whoa, what are you two doing?
Watching on the iPad?
What do you mean watching on the iPad? What have you done today?
Nothing. We're just watching on the iPad.
And Drew, why are you wearing your helmet inside the house?
Because I want to.
Oh, okay. All right, well, hey, turn that iPad off. We're going to go outside. We're going to enjoy a little bit of nature, boys.
Wait, Drew, stop. Listen. You hear that? Sounds like a lawnmower. Hey, look, Drew. There's a bird in the sky. Yeah. Look, there's clouds. There's sage. Sagey. There's the couch. There's the thorn bush. Oh, there's Sage's ball. What do you see, Drew?
I hear a birdie. I hear more birdies. And I see some birdies.
Birdie. And I see a big old log. And I see a stone. And I see a bush. And I see a lemon tree.
And I see a thorn.
Sadie, where are you putting it, Joe? Oh, you're trying to hide it. You're trying to play a game. Go get it, Joe. Where are you trying to put it? Oh, Sage, let's do our throw up then. Catch it, Sage.
That was good. Let's do this game, Sagey.
Yeah, nice job.
Wow. Coach Turner, Carson and Drew are really good at going on scavenger hunts.
Yeah, better than you think.
Wow.
They find lots of stuff. Some stuff that I haven't seen in like maybe 2-3 years.
Ooh, I thought that went missing, and no, it's in my backyard.
They found it. Yeah, we had a lot of fun, Coach Norman. You know, we went out there, we explored, we kind of listened to the sounds of the nature.
Mm-hmm.
We observed what we saw. We kind of looked down in the ground. I mean, there's so much cool stuff if you just go outside and you look and you hear and you listen. And guess what? If you go outside and you're walking around, yes, you're listening, you're seeing, but you're also getting a little workout in.
And
you're actually exercising.
Exactly. You're being active, so you're making that heart work harder to make your body strong.
And just like you saw, I have a dog named Sage that was in the video, and sometimes we get outside and she kind of blends in with nature. And then we find her ball, and we pick it up and we throw it.
And then she runs after it.
And she's getting exercise in nature. So see, nature is such a wonderful, beautiful thing. We just have to get outside. We have to enjoy it more.
Yep. But be safe.
Be safe. Always be safe. Hey, you know what, boys and girls? Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time. Fist bump.